About the possible spread of the coronavirus today.
And Ohio now has a possible case under observation. Joining us now to share the very latest on this is medical reporter Liz Bonus. Liz.
Hey guys, got a couple things to tell you on this virus today. The first is that the Ohio Department of Health announced today that they are following a suspected case of the coronavirus. They did not state where in the state they are observing that case. They have sent samples from this person out for testing to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. They expect to know results in a couple of days. They call this what they call a PUI, or person under investigation, and say beginning today any cases confirmed will be posted and updated weekly on the Ohio Department of Health website, and we have a link to that website at local12.com. We also have some new information today, however, that is encouraging about this coronavirus. According to the infection control team at TriHealth, along with the rest of the country tracking this virus, we're now learning that there is some evidence that while this coronavirus does appear to be highly contagious and spread easily, it still may be lower risk than some other viruses, or what they mean the risk from dying from it. Dr. Blatt told me today that we originally thought that it was severe because we actually didn't know how many people had it. Now that we're seeing the percentage of those who've been diagnosed with it who are surviving, it's possible it could be a virus that's just a lot more like the common cold.
It looks like it spreads very rapidly. What we don't know is how virulent it is. How severe will the infections be due to coronavirus? It looked like initially that it had a high mortality rate, but that's because there were many more patients infected than we actually knew in the beginning. So hopefully it will be similar to the other coronaviruses that we already have in this country, that it'll be a bad cold for most patients who are generally healthy.
By the way, those other coronaviruses are things like SARS and MERS. We don't know this for sure, but we know from these other viruses that they can be highly contagious, but those with good immunity do recover.